The deck looks beautiful. The service was great. The attention to detail was great. Hi, my name is Bob. We've lived here for a little over 20 years, and it was the original deck, and it was kind of falling apart. So we realized that it was time to not only replace it, but to potentially upgrade it as well. My wife did some research, found a few companies, both online and then also as a referral from one of our friends. We found Royal on Facebook, as a matter of fact. They were very interested in the project. We didn't feel like they were trying to sell us something, and we just felt like their response time and just our dealings with them were really good and definitely made us feel comfortable. Yeah, I think his name was Lilian, and it was interesting because when he first came out, my wife was here, and I think she expected a bunch of people to come and do all the work, but he assured us that he was really the main builder, if you will. And we got to know him a little bit over the week that he was here and watched him do his work. And the work that he did was just unbelievable. We were blown away by how much one person could do. We really appreciated all the effort and energy that he put together, and it's turned out awesome. So he was definitely a superstar. He definitely did an unbelievable job for us. If I have the opportunity, I will definitely recommend this company for anyone in the future that would love to get a new deck.